kiss the way you rock. I love the way where breath is where the one. I love the way you call me little child.
Hi, and thank you so much for joining me for this Journal with Me session. I was recently watching some videos of the lovely Gail Agostinelli, and I really enjoy her videos. If you don't know her, please check out her channel. She is so lovely. And she had this idea of making a flip out thing, and I've adapted her tutorial a little bit to suit the journal page I was making. So she made this flip out thing on an envelope, and I wanted to do it for my traveler's notebook spread. So basically I'm following what she does more or less, but there's a little bit of a difference of what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna let you watch for a little bit, and I'll get back with the narration towards the end.
You kiss the way you rock. I love the way where breath is where the one. I love the way you call me little child. And I will never let you go. I love the way you kiss the way you rock. I love the way where breath is where the one. I love the way you call me little child. And I will never let you go. You love the way I touch your skin with mine. We're in the skies, I can't get much more higher. You love the dream we have since we're the one. And I will never let you go. I love the way you kiss the way you rock. I love the way where breath is where the one. I love the way you call me little child. And I will never let you go. is where the wild. I love the way you call me little child, and I will never let you go. You love the way I touch your skin with mine. We're in the skies, I can't get much more higher. You love the dream we have since we're the wild, and I will never let you go. I love the way you kiss the way you run. I love the way we breathe is where the wild. I love the way you call me little child, and I will never let you go. I love the way you kiss the way you run. I love the way we breathe is where the wild. I love the way you call me little child, and I will never let you go. You love the way I touch your skin with mine. We're in the skies, I can't get much more higher. You love the dream we have since we're the wild, and I will never let you go. I love the way you kiss the way you run. I
Yeah, so I'm very happy with how that turned out, especially given that this is the first time I'm actually trying this. So for the second half of the spread, I didn't want to make too much because otherwise the spread is going to be too busy. So I decided to use this dragonfly stencil that I had just bought from a craft show on the weekend. And then I start journaling, and this time I'm journaling about my love for learning new things in crafting and in making art, and that's actually what keeps me motivated, because I'm not someone who enjoys always doing the same thing. So I love that I just keep on learning more and more. And the other thing I really love is I'm fortunate enough to have a monthly workshop with my colleagues where I can then teach them new things as well. And it's just so nice when you know, I'm working with colleagues who don't have the best experience from their past with doing crafts, and to see their eyes light up when they manage to make something and they're actually happy with it, that's just priceless. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial, and yeah, thank you and have a great day. Bye.